much butter do you have?
So we need 1 cup of butter, a pinch of salt, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, 3 cups of powdered sugar, and I think 3 tablespoons of milk. But I'm using almond milk.
How much teaspoon? How much? 2 teaspoons?
2 teaspoons of vanilla, yes.
Oh, Kinley, you want to pour?
Yeah, but I'm making cupcakes or cake.
We're making a cake.
Here. So pour it in this. Ready?
Very
Very carefully. I'll
I
tell you stop.
say you never make too much vanilla. That's
Okay,
good.
stop. That's good. Good job. Ready? Want to pour it in?
No, it's okay.
Wait.
Okay.
Good job.
What's up?
The awkward silence when we're pouring it in.
I'm 3 of us. How many people did it take to pour the vanilla?
Like 3, I'm going with.
And then the eggs for.
The eggs are for cake.
So 1 cup of butter,
So we're doing cupcakes
3 cups of confectioner's, and a dash of salt. I really love salt.
Okay.
Yum.
Okay. Now we're gonna add the confectioner sugar to the vanilla and butter. And try not to get it everywhere. Yay!
I'll clean these.
Okay, now we're gonna need 3 tablespoons of milk, but I use almond milk because I can't have dairy. Yet I'm using butter. Kind of a hypocrite. So we need 3 of them. I'll just do. Yeah, you'll see.
Did you say 3 tablespoons of butter?
Yeah. I'm very good at this, guys. Oh, there's still some vanilla left.
Yeah.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. And I also always add an extra teaspoon of milk just in case.
I was going to say, you can always add more after you whipped it up together to see.
Okay, and then we're gonna add the coloring once it's all mixed together.
Yummy.
What color should we do?
Pink.
Orange.
Should we mix it and then put the
Okay, now we're gonna put it in the mixer. I think we have to add a little more milk to this.
I think I'll have a taste after.
Ready for the magic moment?
Oh, pour a bunch of it.
No, we want it to be actually nice looking.
Is that the icing?
Yep.
Still going.
Sorry, my angle of the camera died. It's good. Yes.
Yummy. But never mind.
You ready?
Hot.
You ready?
Ready.
Alright, trying a bit of pink. We'll add more if we don't like the color. Yeah, let's scrape the sides.
Spatula.
No, it's the Handy Dandy spatula.
Handy Dandy
The Handy Dandy spatula.
Can I try? I want to try this yumminess.
We're gonna try it in a minute. I think I'm gonna hand mix the color in. How about getting the white cake? You what?
Ooh, yeah.
Ooh, yeah.
How about we make it green? No.
We did green. Oh, we did the kind of box of water.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll add some more.
Yeah. Can I try it though?
Powdery. No, I'm gonna do the coloring, okay?
No, I tried. Like lick it.
The frosting?
Yeah.
Okay, we're back. The camera's alive. Okay, guys. Go ahead and say goodbye.
Adios, Slurpees.
Why are we doing the icing first?
Because I like to refrigerate it so it doesn't get all gross.
Thank you.
Bye.
Hey, Kinley, say goodbye.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.
We're using a cake mix.
Because I'm too lazy to make a homemade cake and I don't have any ingredients. Sounds about right.
Right.
Can we do that after because it's just gonna get more messy?
It is.
But it's better to clean this area while you're baking than have it completely messy and look gross.
So wait, so go on. You're making a cake. What do you do?
It's a white cake. It's from Betty Crocker, which I always use for box pieces.
That's your.
And it's the white cake, it's so good. And so, let's just make it now.
Let's make it.
Yep, okay. So first, you will need 1 1/4 cup of water. Be really careful.
I'm just like pouring.
Oh my gosh.
Yep, has beautiful bubbles.
Got it close up.
Okay, and then 1/3 cup of vegetable oil.
Oh, and if you don't have oil, I use melted butter for my oil because sometimes the oil gets old and rancid.
And then we need 3 large eggs. I didn't use large eggs. I know, I'm horrible. I'm worse.
So you just use 3 eggs. Any eggs.
Pretty much. Any eggs work. I use the brown eggs, but they're the smallest ones. This is turning more of a yellow cake.
So Allie brought this really cool pan, but Bella already put the grease and sugar in the other pans.
We'll make another cake.
So we'll make another cake another day.
What's that?
Are you? Do you
now
use
we're
this
gonna
often?
dye. We're gonna dye this one pink.
I've used it once when I was 11.
Oh my god.
And we're gonna dye this one pink, just like our frosting. So.
Yum.
Kayla's excited about this one.
So maybe Bella will have to make a cake with this one.
We can make one next
Turn
week.
pink. No, it's turn it peach. More. Use it all. Use it all, Bella. Can we do 10 layers?
Ooh.
3 layers?
Oh, we're doing 2 layers.
Okay.
So shut.
Ew, that type of oil.
Hey, happy 4th of July tomorrow. So it's kind of like a, God
Okay.
bless America.
Yes. Okay, so we're gonna set the oven at 350 degrees.
Let Kinley play too. Here, Kinley.
Right. So we're gonna put the oven at 350 degrees, like I said about 20 times, for about 25 to 30 minutes, depending on how you want the cake or how. We need to take a toothpick. It's good. Okay. There you do. I don't know why I'm thinking this, but I always like to use the little ladle thingamabobber to get it out easily. Sound good? Does that sound good, Aunt Melody? That's
Yes, that's so interesting.
Ooh.
That seems so
good. We
messy.
should make this for Valentine's Day.
It's so messy.
Like make a heart.
Can we just pour? No?
I am weird, Aunt Melody.
Okay.
Deal with it. Okay, so now we're gonna tap out all the air bubbles so you don't want the cake to be all gross. And can we stop sticking it?
Can you say that again? I didn't catch that. Bella, say it again.
Oh! Steamer shake it. Kayla, stop.
Yeah, little girl.
Okay, next pan. Kayla, I can see that. Okay, now time to put it in the oven.
Oops, is this in the way?
This is how you professionally, la 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 la.
And yum, and yum.
Yeah. This is perfect for a queen.
Because we are queens and delicious queens.
We're sugar queens.
Yeah, we're sugar queens.
Sugar.
Where's more sugar?
Oh yeah.
Oh no.
Not in the hair.
I haven't rated this, guys.
Oh! Wait.
I'm done.
Wait, don't you want to spread it around?
Start. Sugar. Alright. Yeah, it's no eating the sugar. No eating the sugar, Kaylee. No sugar. Just have to make that clear because that's my job.
It's just the new Sammy.
Yeah.
Yeah, purple.
Because I want to do purple.
Yeah, that's our favorite color.
It won't open. It's not like me. La 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 la. Aunt Melody.
It's not opening?
It's not like it. Here.
Yeah.
Grab a lid, please.
Yeah.
Is it on? Yeah, it's still on. Just my little thingy. That's it. Intro. Wait, this whole thing was an intro? This should just be like bloopers of you.
Oh my god.